Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Painting Basic course. I'm Hugh Mayart. I'll be the instructor for this course. I'm a freelance illustrator and artist. I mainly work in the field of illustration for games. I have previously worked as an artist for Riot. I have also worked as an illustrator for Honkai Star Rail. In this course, I will teach you the basic knowledge of digital painting along with general art principles. These are some of my works. These are my illustrations focused on character art. In this course, we will have a total of 10 sessions. What will our learning process include? What can you expect from the homework assignments? We have assignment 2. I will give a brief introduction to shapes in space. Assignment 3, line and shape. Assignment 4, forms, learning the volume and directions of forms. And we will analyze it like this. Assignment 5, value. The range of black and white when we draw still life in black and white. Only the value, like a pencil drawing. Assignment 6, color theory. I will briefly discuss the relationship between colors and the basic knowledge or color systems. Assignment 7, chapter 1, summary, study. Applying everything we have learned from previous assignments to complete a still life composition like this. Assignment 8, study plus. Similar to assignment 7, but with multiple objects and different colors. We will explore the relationships between those objects. Assignment 9, material. We will learn how to analyze the characteristics of different materials. Why does a material look like that? We need to analyze and identify the properties of the material. Assignment 10, material plus. Similar to the previous assignment, but instead of focusing on one material like metal, we will explore different materials of our choice. If we have more examples, it would look like this. This is the final assignment, and we can continue with an additional one. This is the bonus assignment. This is assignment 11, bonus. We will learn about three-dimensional shapes and how to draw them. Let's all get started with the lesson. Bye-bye.